Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim milestone reward of TOTS Arena in FC Mobile. So as you guys can see here, I've already on the TOTS Arena chapter where I can claim energy every day and get involved in matches to earn TOTS Arena points and exclusive rewards. So in here in the arena, I can get you can get a free 3 energy every day, and you can use those energy to play the matches versus attack or head to head, because you need to win 30 times between these three options to get to be able to get the reward. So the final rewards, if you already win 30, you can get or claim one of the three of the OTS players after achieving 30 wins. So you can choose between the Rafa Mujica, Mikel Merino, or Romero. And in here, I've already win the head-to-head, so I can claim between these three. So I need a center back position, so I'm going to claim Romero. But if you need other positions like a striker or center midfielder, you can choose between these two. So I'm going to just click on this box and click on this to claim. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to try this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Enjoy the game.